Hello, my name is Joe Lewandowski. This is the cold start video of the 1989 Chrysler's TC by Maserati that was requested. The car has not been started in about 2 weeks. Today is August 31st, 2021. As you can see, it starts right up, idles evenly, never any issues with startup. You can see the oil pressure is good. It is cold, as you can see. Tachometer is even. Volts are good as well. I've got, I don't know, about a quarter of a tank of gas in it. I'm going to give it a little bit of gas here. No lights on. So that was the cold start. I will do momentarily another video featuring some of the features and noteworthy items on the car.